Hello and welcome to this lesson where we'll cover operators that are commonly used in SQL. And a simple definition of an operator is a reserved word or character that is used to query our database in SQL. Operators are necessary to define condition in SQL as they act as a connector between two or more conditions. Some of the operators that we look at are arithmetic operators, which include the addition sign, the subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Arithmetic operators are used to calculate or create new fields in SQL. Then there are bitwise operators, which are used to combine or compare different conditions. And we have comparison operators that include the equal sign, greater than, less than, equal or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, and finally not equal to. Notice that these operators are used to compare different conditions in a query. Then we have the compound operators. These are operators that are used to compare or perform complex operations in SQL. Then we have the SQL logical operators. These are used to compare queries or subqueries based on given conditions.